DotStorming is a really fun activity and it's really easy to use. So you simply log in, and you can log in using your Google account. And then you create a board. Now, you're only allowed to create 5 boards for the free version, which is perfect because most of us teach 5 classes. So I created a board for our learning today. And when you ask students to log in, you simply can share the URL. So here's the URL, and students will be able to log in right away. When they go to the URL, it'll prompt them to put their name. So all they need to do is put their name. They don't even need to log in or create an account themselves. After giving them a prompt, you could either put it in the chat section or you could just tell them what the prompt is out loud. They will go up to add a card. This is where they can type their work and they can add color, they can make things look creative. That's entirely up to them. They can also upload an image, so if you want to do something visual, you can do that as well. Once cards are, so we're going to add a card here. We'll just call that a test. Once cards are on the board, others can comment on those comments. So again, it creates that discussion feature, and students then can vote. Now, you can choose how many votes students receive from 1 to 10. So once they are allowed to vote, they can vote on the same thing multiple times. They can vote on different cards that they can take their vote away and add it to something else. So DotStorming is really easy to use, and it's a lot of fun. And don't forget about this ranking by votes. So I like to, while students are voting, I like to resort the cards to indicate who is receiving the most votes. And then that again can foster a full group discussion as you project up on the screen what received the most votes, and then you can talk about why it received the most votes. All right, have fun with DotStorming.